The alcoholic beverage industry is facing multiple challenges that directly eats into your margins. Companies are exploring various options to address these scenarios. In response, we have solutions that companies turn to, but achieving them with traditional methods creates new problems. The team works across scattered datasets in Excels, PPTs, PDFs to support their real-time decision making and evaluate options, but it further eats their margin. And by the time everyone aligns on the real number, you've already lost money on the pricing decisions that should have been made weeks ago. Let me show you how you can eliminate this chaos using Pigment, Intelligent Management of Material Costing. This is a multidimensional platform where every stakeholder, right from your plant operations to demand forecasting, would work on the same real-time data. For demand forecasting, this depletion view shows the real-time consumption patterns for each SKU across your markets. You can spot the variance immediately without having to wait for the manual updates. This pulls live data and it shows the current trending patterns. Volume allocation happens at SKU level with complete visibility across your portfolio. If you increase ingredient inflation, you immediately see the cascading effects across your SKUs. And here you have a year-on-year comparison of PET material cost with complete traceability. Here's what your plant manager sees. Real-time complete cost breakdown with fixed costs like salaries and variable costs like utilities. Notice how it calculates cost per case for both high and low percentage variance. It's giving visibility to optimize your operations before your cost spirals out of control. With Plant Summary, you can easily calculate your fixed and variable cost of production. This is what I mean by eliminating data fragmentation. Every stakeholder sees the same commodity impact in real time. So no more which number is right conversation and no more delayed decisions. Pigment is a multidimensional intelligence that transforms how you manage your material costs.